Ever wonder how we're making such incredible scientific leaps? It's not just human genius anymore. AI is revolutionizing research. Imagine discovering new drugs or materials at lightning speed. AI sifts through data in ways we simply can't, finding hidden patterns. It's accelerating breakthroughs in medicine, climate science, and beyond. From predicting protein structures to optimizing experiments, AI is our super assistant. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about unlocking entirely new possibilities. We're on the cusp of discoveries that were once pure science fiction. If you're excited about AI's role in science, comment "yes" below. The future of discovery is here, and it's powered by intelligence.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Keep watching and stay tuned. Bye-bye.